Hi, in today's video, I am going to discuss about healthcare data systems, wherein which can be connected with the data warehousing uh, when we are working on the data migrations or data integrations and all that. Especially, how are we integrating with this data warehousing when reference to the healthcare data systems, all that. So in this, there will be different healthcare data systems, which are something essentially involved when we are working on healthcare data, wherein I have taken two different healthcare EHR records, like healthcare data records and all that. 1 and 2 I was taken. At the same time, we may be taking some laboratory information systems, because whatever the clinical records in reference to the testing, what is that they have taken, right? So that we have taken it. At the same time, whatever the radiology information system followed by POC notes and all everything, these are all the things which are something essentially involved in healthcare data systems. So this normally we connect to the data warehouse, wherein this data warehouse, where whatever the kind of diagnosis which was made, right? So based on the kind of input term, whatever we have taken, irrespective of the kind of diagnosis which that particular individual carries and all, based on that, whatever the ICD code systems we are using and all, everything will be differs, right? So ICD 9CM is what generally is being used for the input terminology, followed by associated code as 174.9. At the same time, if it is a ICD 10CM, which will be used for the particular input terminology and all, C50.919 is being used as an associated term, associated code. Followed by this, if we are going for the code system, which will be of SNO MEDCT, for that the kind of associated code which is involved in it is called 254.837.009. So if there is any other input terminologies which were listed, so those also can be listed in this data warehouse. So wherein whatever the data, whichever is missing and all, everything will be appeared here, right? So missing of data can be seen over in this. Or else if there is an inconsistent of data, because this may varies, depends on the kind of information what we have taken, because depends on the kind of diagnosis as well as the kind of disease and all, everything. These code numbers and all, everything will vary, right? So ICD-10, as I told you, because ICD-10 majorly explains is about why the person sought for the medical attention and all that. And every diagnosis disease condition has to be owned based on the ICD-10 codes and all that. For example, if you have taken ICD-10 for adults and all, whatever the diabetes without complication and all, everything comes under E11.9. But whereas if there is any complication due to the diabetes, something like any blindness or uh, something was diagnosed and all, everything, E11.3, all that. Or else I have given another example also here, you can see in this. So this is where and how usually this healthcare data systems and all, everything will be integrated with this data warehousing when we are doing this data integrations and all that, especially in the field of healthcare. This is what all about this video. If you have any questions, if you have any queries in regard to that, please reach out to the contact details, which will be posted in below to this video. Thank you.